We want to find the probability that at least there are two girls in 6 births. Assume that male and female births are equally likely, so 50%, 50%, and that births are independent events. So as soon as we see these words, at least, right here, these at least, then it's always better to look at this backwards. So at least 2 means the probability of 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6 girls will be born of these 6. That means we can only have 0 or 1 boy. So it's easier to figure out that probability of 0 or 1 than the 2 through 6. Now, when you use Excel to do this, you're going to go over to your formulas and more function statistical, and you want to go down to your binomial. Now, you can use, of course, the binomial table. You can use the formula, but this is the easiest way. I'm going to look at, so what I want to figure out is I want to figure out the probability that there are less than 1 or less. So I'm going to put in 1, and I have 6 trials, and each are 50% likely. And I'm going to use true. True is going to give me the probability of up to 1, so 0 or 1. So it's going to give me both of them together. If I used false, it would just give me 1, so then I'd have to add 0 and 1 together. So true is going to save me some work. Okay, so this is the probability. This is the probability that I have 0 or 1 girl, but I want to know 2 or more. So this is going to be 1 minus what I just got, so 0.891. So come over here, 891, and I work backwards, and I got my answer. So as soon as I see this phrase, at least 1, start thinking, okay, I want to try to reverse this because it's going to be easier. The other thing to remember is when you are working in Excel, this true here, okay, if this is true, this means the cumulative. It's going to add everything up to that point. So in this case, it gave us 0 and 1, everything up to 1. So if I put 2 in here, it's going to add up to 2, not down. It's not going to go 2 and up, so it always goes down. If I want just the individual, just 1 or just 2, then I could use false, and it will give me just the one instance. But generally, we will be speaking in cumulative frequencies.